Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add gaps between songs in Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Here on the left top, click on your profile icon. Here there's the option of settings and privacy. Click on it. Here on the third option, playback, select it. So on the first option, as you can see, there's an option called gapless playback. It is turned on, so turn it off. So now there will be certain gaps between the songs that you listen in Spotify. If you want gapless playback, turn it on, otherwise turn it off. So this is the way how you put gaps in between the songs in Spotify. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.